Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi, and today I just thought we would play with some of those new polishes that we unboxed yesterday and do a little design. I actually saw something, well actually a few things that inspired me while I was looking up nail design ideas. I could not find the name of the artist who did this. I will try to find the picture again. I was on a different phone, and so sometimes it's hard. Anyway, if I can find it, I will. But it's just some line work using a burgundy and a gold, and I happen to have a burgundy and a gold, and so I just thought, how much fun would it be to go ahead and try to recreate something? So what I'm going to do real quick here is just paint 3 of these nails in burgundy and 2 of them in the gold. I'm going to do 2 coats of both, and then we will come right back and play around with some lines and see how well this polish works for that. Jacob, my candles. My dog is being a little brat. Okay, guys, I'm putting a little dot of each one of these on a backing paper. I'm going to take my dog out for a really quick pee, and then I will come back and we'll do this. He's funny, you guys. He doesn't actually need to do anything. He just, one of my neighbors walked by. He really likes him, and so he was hoping he was still out there, which he's not. So, all right, guys, I am just going to use the different colors on opposites, right? And make some lines. Let's see how this works. Oh, that's pretty light. We might need a little more here so we can really saturate that brush. Saturate. I wasn't picking up enough, I think. That's much better. Ooh, that's a little off center. That's better. Okay, I'm going to pop that in for a quick cure. Let's go ahead and grab another one. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of stripes coming across this. And then I was just thinking it would be kind of cool to do another V inside that V. Ooh, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Okay, I'm going to pop that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Okay, And this is why we're doing line work, guys, because my line work's not perfect, and I need to practice it as much as I can. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it real. Okay, guys, on this particular nail, I went on ahead and buffed it and redid a coat of the maroon because there was a little bit of wrinkling on the side. But that happens sometimes when I use this and cure on there because it's up too high and it probably wasn't sitting close to a light. So I really don't think so much it's a function of the gel, which any gel can do that if it's not cured properly. I think it was probably me, but I just wanted to let you know that I did have that happen. Sorry, I left my glasses across the room. So anyway, let's go ahead. What I think I'll do with this one is repeat what we did on this one, but coming from the bottom. Okay, we're going to go ahead now and try to mimic the same thing we did on the thumbnail. Maybe a little more centered this time. Ooh, right? We're going to try. We're going to try. I'm just going to try to mark some spots that I want to hit this time to see if I can make things a little better. And apparently that doesn't work either. Okay, okay, I like that. Let's try it. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay, 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 that's nice. I like that a lot. Just gonna try to smooth it a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna try to follow the same line to the bottom, since we have a little bit of a visual representation, a little bit. This is giving me stress, you guys. Seriously, can you see me shaking crazy style? Okay. Just need to fix this top bit. Okay, I don't hate that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. Oh, and here's the other one we did that's opposites. So that's pretty cute. And while we have that one in curing, let's go ahead and just do something a little the same but different, right? I'm going to cure that for a full 90. And then we are going to go ahead and just add a couple of stripes going across. All right, we're going to be right back for top coats. And here we have them. Let's go ahead and pull out some top coat. Do you guys think we should do one matte? Yeah, let's do one matte. Let's pick this one. Right? Just because we can. Because we can, guys. All right, we're going to do that one matte, and we'll do the rest shiny. Okay, be sure to let me know if you try this look. Tag me in your Instagram or your video and let me know. I really want to see if you do it, and I'm sure do it better than I just did. I really need to work on this line work, and so we are going to find some more designs and just try to have a good time while we sharpen those skills, right? This top coat really just is bringing that gold to life. Let's pop this in the lamp. All right, besties, we've got about 20 more seconds before those bad boys come out of the lamp. I just wanted to remind you that today we were using Mifa gel polishes. This is the matte and top coat if you want to use those little symbols. These are number 17 and number 18 in the same Mifa collection. And this is how our look came out. Honestly, I hate that matte nail. I hate it. That is not the look I wanted. So we are going to go ahead and make it shiny. There we go. Before we go any further, let's just shine that bad boy up. I did not love that. It was showing all the mistakes even more than the shiny does. Okay, guys, thank you so much for sharing this time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please let me know in the comment section below what kind of video you would like to see next. We could definitely try to put together some looks that you guys recommend. I would love to do that. Let me know what you liked about this video, what you hated about this video. Do you like this set? Would you wear all the questions? Give me all the answers below. Thank you so much. Be sure to click all my buttons on your way out, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.